This video features the Wilton Park Tower in various stages of demolition. Before we see it demolished, here is a very quick preview of my last video, where we explored it. I edit my videos to a high standard, using my motto quality not quantity. For instance, I created a map showing the layout and where we are as we explore it, from a pit below the tower all the way up to the roof. Wilton Park was built in the late 1960s and demolished 57 years later in 2025. The tower was typical 1970s accommodation, containing just rooms for the workers on the site, shared facilities, bare minimums, and no luxuries, other than a common room on the top floor. To see this video, please click the link above, and it can also be clicked on the end screen at the end of this video. Five months after my visit, people were posting photos on Facebook of the start of the demolition. So to start with, some video and photos from Monday 6th of October, 2 weeks after the work begun. The northwest side has already been removed. With the sun setting, this gave me an excellent photo opportunity for some close-up views. Then we're moved to some more footage, with help from Henry's Adventures YouTube channel. Four days later, floors 9 to 16 are gone. The demolition machine is currently removing the remains of the lift shaft from floor 9. Removing the tower is part of the redevelopment of the whole area. The tower could never be used again, so although this is a sad sight, it was only going to happen one day. According to Henry, the demolition started on 17th of September 2025 and took a whole month to turn this 16-story building into a pile of rubble, as you'll see in a moment. And please keep watching, as this is not the only footage that I have. This was one of the rails from the lift shaft. Before we move to some footage from Henry's Adventures channel, here's some photos of the building when it was half eaten. To see the full video featuring the start through to the end of this demolition, please visit Henry's Adventures channel. He's filmed the demolition from various stages and angles. A link to the video is on the end screen, or you can click it from the video description. The whole area, including these old houses, are also set to be removed. The tower was one of the tallest towers in Buckinghamshire and part of the skyline for nearly 60 years. I bet most are glad to see it gone. For me, I had the privilege to explore it a few times. Yes, I guess it's a shame, but it was only a matter of time before it was demolished. Thanks very much to Henry for allowing me to use some of his footage. To see the whole video, click the link in the top right. To see inside the tower in great detail before it was removed, please click the video in the top left. If you've enjoyed watching, then please consider subscribing to the Mr. Matt and Mr. Che channel. And as always, thank you very much for watching.